In this video, I'll show you how to schedule recurring payments in Wise. First, open the Wise app or website and sign into your account. Next, start a new transfer and choose the recipient and currency you want to use. Enter the amount you want to send, then review the transfer details. After that, look for the option to make the transfer recurring or scheduled. Choose how often you want the payment to repeat, such as weekly or monthly, and select the date you want the first payment to be sent. Now, review the recurring payment settings carefully. Check the recipient, amount, currency, frequency, and next payment date. Make sure your Wise balance or payment method will have enough funds when each payment is due. Next, confirm the schedule. Wise will save the recurring payment and show the upcoming transfers in your account. Finally, return to your scheduled or recurring payments whenever you need to review, edit, pause, or cancel a payment. Availability and options can vary depending on the type of transfer and your Wise account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule recurring payments in Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.